Good afternoon. Today we're back out at Brocklesby Junction, filming on the latest camcorder, which is the Sony FDR-AX53. Once more, just to see what the quality etc. is like, and same as last time, just give me a shout to see what you guys think. Catch you in a bit. I've just found a little button at the back of the recorder. I think it's for when you're speaking yourself, not too sure. Can you check that out? And this is the 1337 Cleethorpes to Sheffield train. And here comes the 1347 from Cleethorpes running into Liverpool Lime Street, run by TransPennine Express. Delivery on that, look, gold and blue, beautiful train sim. She goes. Yeah, here comes the 1409 Leicester to Grimsby Town, East Midlands Railway. Oh, all over the place. It's because I'm absolutely freezing. I come out without my jacket again. My hands are cold, got a new camcorder. Don't know where I am in space and time, I'm swaying all over the place. But yeah, here she comes up. I wonder, could we get a tone? I don't know. Still quite a distance away, look. There's the zoom feature on this one. Great, aren't they? Great. Brilliant camcorders. Massive, massive zooms. And there she blows. I think this is the Drax train rolling into Imogen bulk storage, or Imogen biomass, should I say. I believe it is, yeah. Now with a bit of luck, hopefully, when he gets to these points down here, a bit further on, hopefully he will go to our right, his left, and that'll give us a chance to look at the train a little bit side on. With a bit of luck. Let's see if that is the case. Yes. There we go.